Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. I have for you a mystery box unboxing. Now, this one is a first of its kind, I believe. I don't think that Morphe has had mystery boxes or surprise boxes in the past. Correct me if I'm wrong, but these just launched. This is the Surprise, get it, prize box. I picked up the largest box. There was two options. There was one that was specifically just for eyes. I believe that one was $35. And then there was this box here, which is the 9-piece face and eye collection. So there are at least 9 items in this box. I did pay $50 for this. I did pick this up directly from my local Morphe store. I believe they are still available, at least the last time I checked. So if you have a Morphe store near you, you can go there and pick one up. Otherwise, you can order them online as well. Now, inside of these boxes could be influencer collabs. It's just kind of a mix of everything. What I'm really hoping for is for things that are mostly wearable. When it comes to mystery boxes, it's really no secret. Most of the time, they're going to be filled with items that are either overstock or things that didn't really quite sell as well, maybe something that they made too much of, whatever the case may be. And sometimes that might not even be it. It could just be a store or a warehouse or distribution center just has extra inventory. And this is just kind of a fun way to get this into the consumer's hands. Another way to look at it is maybe people who aren't very familiar with the brand. This is kind of their chance to try kind of a wide variety of things that either a brand or a collection has to offer, and it just kind of gives you a chance to kind of try things out and see how you like it. Me personally, I am a sucker for a good mystery box. I love the excitement. It's like a little gift to myself. I don't know what to expect. And you know what? If there's things inside of it that I'm not super crazy about, for me personally, I can toss it into a giveaway. I can give it to a friend, a coworker, donate it. It's going to end up in the hands of someone who will eventually appreciate it. So we are going to go ahead and unbox this nice, big, beautiful box together. I'm really excited. Let's just get into it and let's see what I got in my surprise prize Morphe mystery box. I have no idea what is inside. The only thing I have done is run a blade through the little stickers here so that I can get into it without trouble here on camera. I'm not even gonna look. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm grabbing something big off the jump. And what do we have? The 35R Ready Set Gold Eyeshadow Palette. I'm a sucker for gold shadows, so I already know off the bat I think I'm going to like this. I'm not super familiar with Morphe branded palettes. I usually pick up more of their collab stuff. I've bought 2 Morphe palettes in the past. One that I loved, I believe, was the 35G, which was the Such a Gem. And I think I picked up the 35E, was it? I can't remember, the bronze one, and I was not a huge fan of that. It says 35 shades to change your world, and they're supposed to be creamy, highly pigmented, and super blendable shadows that are gilded and dripping in gold, matte, and shimmer shades. So let's go ahead and open it up. Obviously brand new in the box. It's one of the plastic palettes. Obviously no mirror, which is typical for a Morphe palette. It just says hashtag Morphe Babe right there. And then you've got the plastic protective cover that will actually tell you all of the shade names, which I'm not the biggest fan of. It's just something that I'm kind of nitpicky about. It's obviously not a game breaker, but when you're someone like me and you have a YouTube channel and you want to do tutorials and stuff, sometimes I always, not sometimes, always, that doesn't make any sense, but I tend to misplace these little protective slips right here. But nonetheless, this palette looks absolutely beautiful. If you love warm gold tone shades, orangey shades, obviously this is going to be right up your alley. It's definitely right up mine. And for fun while we're at it, let's just go ahead and swatch a few. I'll just take a couple matte shades just to kind of get an idea, and then we'll do a couple of the shimmer shades. Swatch some. So that's a matte, swatching beautifully. We've got another matte, pretty good. I'm impressed. Ooh, that is stunning. So obviously that is more of a metallic shade right here. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got another metallic right here. Also gorgeous. Sometimes Morphe metallics can be a hit or miss, but first impressions, taking a few shades, this looks absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to dip my brushes into this palette. Leave a comment down below if you would like to see a tutorial with this beautiful 35R palette. Let's just go ahead and grab another, and I'm going to grab what I think is a clump of brushes, and I am correct. Me personally, I am a brush junkie. I can never have enough brushes. brushes. This is from, I think, what their Rose Gold collection is. So the first brush we have here is the R14 Round Contour Brush. These are like straight up sealed. Nice and soft. It's just a nice rounded contour brush. I love brushes like this. Perfect for getting right here in the hollows of the cheek, around the face, general contour down the nose. So that is awesome. I am a fan of that. Then we have the R39, which is a tapered blending brush. Wish they just had the little flaps on it instead of having to get my mouth full of plastic here. These are my favorite types of eye brushes, you guys. If you have hooded eyes, these tapered shadow brushes or these tapered blending brushes are the absolute best. They get right up into the crease and just blend beautifully. So I can always use another one of these. I'm really stoked about that. And then last but not least, this one has different packaging. The little plastic flap that I'm talking about. This is the R34 Deluxe Blender Brush, another staple in anyone's collection. Just a nice round fluffy crease or shader brush. So awesome. So we've got a beautiful eyeshadow palette, 3 awesome brushes. We are off to a good start. Let's go ahead and grab and feel for the next item. And it looks like we have some of their lashes. So these are in the style of POSH. I am not a huge fan of false lashes, and these are like full ass glam. Like, these are huge. If I put on lashes like this, yes, it might look totally awesome, but it would also totally just cover up my entire eye. Maybe this is something that I would save and put into a giveaway. Maybe someone who would like something like this. Like I said, I just don't wear falsies a ton, and these are just absolutely massive. I'll show you guys one more time. Moving on to the next item here. Ooh, this is one of their Blushing Babes Pop of Pink blush trios. I have actually always wanted to try one of their blush trios. I have heard fantastic things about these. So these actually do have a nice full mirror in here. Really nice quality, actually. I love that. And then here are the 3 shades on the inside. These are super cute. Honestly, I could just run my brush along all 3 of these and mix them together and pop it on. In fact, why not? Let's just do that right now because I really don't have any blush. So we've got the shade Rule Breaker, Free, and Spirit. I'm just gonna go ahead and dip into all of them. Ooh. That is really nice, not overly pigmented, blends beautifully and just gives you this cute, perfect pop of pink on the cheeks. Huge fan of that. Not much kick up at all. There's a little bit, but not bad. So the first one is more of a matte. So the shade right here, Rule Breaker, is more of a matte. The shade Free in the center is pretty shimmery. And then Spirit also has a sheen to it as well. So this is more of like a satin finish. So that's nice. You kind of get a nice kind of mix of finishes all throughout the little palette right here. It's a perfect size. Love that it has a mirror. Huge fan of the shades. I think it's beautiful. So far, this is turning out to be a bomb mystery box. I am actually way more impressed than I thought I would be. All right, so the next item is a mega, I don't know what I'm saying for. It is a mega matte or a super matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Morphe. I have actually really adored this shade from afar. When the Morphe store first opened near me in the Mall of America, I saw this and I almost purchased it. I love a very true red lipstick. I am a sucker for reds. So let's just go ahead and swatch this. That's really nice. Really beautiful red matte. Went on very opaque, very smoothly. Love that. I can't wait to try this one out. There you guys have it. Just a bullet matte lipstick. I am, again, another thing that I'm a junkie of is lipsticks. I'm a junkie of everything when it comes to makeup. I have way too much of everything. Or do I have way too much? But I have a ton of lipsticks. And honestly, like I said, a good red is a staple in anyone's collection. So another home run. I think we have just 2 more products. I'm just going to go ahead and pull them out here. The first one is a lip crayon, a soft matte lip crayon in the shade LYLAS, Love Ya Like a Sister. Oh my God, I haven't seen that since like middle school. Do you guys remember that? I remember writing that like in my friends' yearbooks. So the shade is right here on the bottom. So obviously it's just a really nice kind of muted mauve tone. We'll go ahead and swatch this one as well. Oh yeah, wow, that is really creamy and nice. I have not tried this formula before. I haven't tried their bullet lipsticks either, but I haven't tried these lip crayons either. And that is a really pretty wearable shade. totally spot on. Absolutely love it. That's a really pretty shade. Again, wearable. This would really go with any skin tone. Same with the red, same with the eyeshadow palette, same with the blush palette. That's what's kind of nice so far in this box, is that so far really any skin tone can pull off any of these shades. Absolutely beautiful, and I think that that was very smart. I can't wait until more of these videos come out. I'm very curious to see what other people got in their boxes. So the last thing we got is one of their lip glosses. If you have watched my channel before, you know I love, absolutely love the Morphe lip glosses. They are some of my favorite gloss formulas, and this is in the shade Frosé. I've seen this one before in the stores as well. So it's just kind of like a very, very light pink, but it's very shimmery. It's almost like a duochrome, but has like shifts of like kind of ultraviolet pinkish purple and like gold as well. And they just have kind of like a very light, sweet scent. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it right below. Oh yeah, it is barely pink. This is mostly has the micro reflex of glitter in it. Morphe lip gloss is extremely comfortable. I don't know if that will even show up on camera, but it's right there. They are extremely comfortable, very, very glossy, absolutely beautiful on the lips, very comfortable to wear, feel very nourishing. They don't dry out the lips. They don't exaggerate any of the fine lines. It doesn't settle. They look beautiful on top of lipsticks. So this is a really pretty shade. So let's just go ahead and recap everything. So we did get 3 lip products here. I don't know why I put this one back in the box, but we got the Jumbo Lip Crayon in LYLAS. Then we have the Morphe Gloss in the shade Frosé. And then we have the Bullet Lipstick in the shade Morphe, which was that beautiful blue red tone shade. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we got the blush trio in the shades Pop of Pink. Absolutely gorgeous. 3 brushes. I got a contour brush. This is the R14, a rounded crease brush, the R34, and then the tapered blending brush, which was the R39. And then we got some lashes in the style Posh. Massive, huge, really fun lashes. And then last but not least, I got the 35R eyeshadow palette, which I can't stop looking at this. This is just a really stunning collection of shades. Really, really beautiful. I would say that this is probably, I'm actually pretty confident in saying that this is pretty much the best mystery box that I have ever personally received. Don't get me wrong, I have gotten some badass items and gotten pretty lucky with mystery boxes. Like last year with the Beautylish Lucky Bags, I got the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Like, really home run. Just that item alone made that box worth getting. But I can use literally every single item in this box. It is extremely wearable, works for so many different skin tones, and I'm hoping that all the boxes are like this. Let me know in the comments if you picked up one of these boxes. I'd like to know what you got. Did you order it online? If you haven't gotten it yet, let me know if you're now even more excited knowing what I got in my box. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button. When you hit the bell button, you're gonna get notifications when I upload awesome videos just like this one. I love you guys so, so much. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.